welcome back to my channel. Thank you for checking in today. I will be showing you guys how I'm going to do these big jumbo knotless braids on my client today, using the shine and jam just to mold the sections of the hair. And I'm going to go ahead and add more on the other side, 3 sections, and I'm going to braid it a little and then start adding little pieces of hair as I go. So since these are short braids, I'm going to start adding small pieces and then just go straight on to very large pieces so that way they can be jumbo. Now everybody braids different than I do, so don't expect my braids to look like everybody else's, but this is the outcome to this braid. And then I'm just going to go ahead and do this same pattern all over and make sure I am parting my parts with the shine and jam. It will give me a nice clean part, as y'all can see right there how nice and neat the parts are. I'm gonna just go ahead and make sure I use that shine and jam and part inside of 3 sections again. Go ahead and do the same repeating pattern that I've been doing for the other braids. I do tend to pull just to make sure the hair is super straight and make sure the braid is going to look really nice and neat. So if you see me tugging on her hair, it's for good causes. I'm trying to revamp my YouTube channel, so this is not going to be the best video. The voiceover, I feel like I sound like a man right now because I'm tired. But I want to post this video. I want to get myself out there on YouTube. I have a lot of followers on TikTok, so I decided to have someone edit this video for me so I can get started with YouTube videos. So you guys stay tuned, support, like, share, comment, do whatever you guys usually do on YouTube. I'm starting to be fresh, like a beginner, all over again on YouTube. So I want you guys to bear with me. I am going to do her ends with curls at the bottom, so that's why I'm leaving the hair out. If you can notice, this is the outcome you guys booked today.